Commercial fishing has always been a demanding way of life. It favors men and women who are tough enough to handle the work and smart enough to avoid the dangers. Fishing is unforgiving with those who are careless, resulting in many deaths and injuries. Salmon seining on BC's coast has always been the most hazardous type of fishing, and of all the jobs on a salmon seiner, the beachline operation is the most dangerous. Although improvements in equipment have made the job easier, they have also contributed to the dangers. Shorter openings in smaller and smaller areas have made it even more difficult for owners, skippers, and the crew. These factors, combined with an increasingly inexperienced workforce, have made an already dangerous job even worse, making proper beachline training an absolute necessity. The beachline operation begins with the skipper launching the skiff. The beach crew's job is to get to the tie-up quickly and safely, while the seiner sets the net and tows it against the tide. Once at the beach, the beachline operator will tie the beachline up to something that can hold tons of pressure and keep the net end close to the beach. The beach crew must work as a team to be successful and safe. As soon as the beach knot is completed, the beachman clears the danger area. When the tie-up has been completed, the skiff operator retrieves the sea anchor from the net. As the vessel approaches the beach end of the net, the skipper will signal the beachman to release the knot. Letting her go is the most hazardous part of the beachline operation. Once the beach line is released, the skiff man heads back to the seiner, while the beachman retrieves the beach line. The beach crew return to the seiner as quickly as possible. The beachman gets on board to work on deck, while the skiff operator retrieves the end of the beach line. The skiff man then comes on board to take part in completing the set. The bottom of the net is brought up and secured on a ring stripper, closing the last exit for the salmon inside the net. The remainder of the net is then drummed on board. When all the slack is drummed up, the net end is taken around the stern, and the bunt, or bag, is drummed aboard, hopefully full of salmon. All that remains to complete the set is spilling the salmon on deck, bringing up the skiff, hauling the net back, and hooking up for the next set.